Alex's fairground mixer motor showed up today. He's going to demonstrate. Okay.
Okay, you just press the green button right here.
Mm-hmm.
And
That is very cool.
And with the flip of a switch.
Uh-huh. Reverse. That's making me dizzy. It's just like the Harry Potter ride.
And this one.
And what else have we got? The balloon stand.
That just showed up.
Very cool.
And we also have these attractions.
The strongman. The dunk tank.
And the strongman.
Tickets.
And the strongman.
Very cool. And here's this juggling dude. Yeah.
And for the dunk tank, you can. There we go.
Ah, she's all wet. And the vehicles. And they all fit onto which one?
They all fit on between these two trucks. The little attractions here are Mom. But the fairground mixer fits on this big truck.
Wow.
The cool thing about this truck is it seats 3 minifigures. One here, one here.